Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, we have been talking about numbers. We started out with teens and tens, 20, 40, 60, 80. Then we went to counting 100s, and now we're up to 1,000. So, we're going to talk about counting after 1,000. So, here we go. So we say this number right here. Let me fix my pen. Yeah, this number right here, we say 1,000. Everybody say 1,000. We can also say 1,000. I don't know why, but when we say 100,000 million, instead of saying 1,100, 1,000,000, we say because I think we're a little bit lazy in English. So we say counting after 1,000. Here we go. Ready? 1,000, or again, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and again, five, not fi, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. And then, of course, we can do 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, right? But we're just going to stick here for a minute. Okay, so here we go. One more time. 1,000. And this is and, but you might hear me saying 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Once we get into the bigger numbers, it's kind of like when we were doing the hundreds. So we say the 1,000 and then we say this number right here. So we would say 1,100. Now here, we can't say 1,100. I guess we could, but normally we say 1,100. So this is 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000. When I hear someone saying a number to me, when I hear thousand, I think comma, right? So when someone says 1,000 to me, I write 1,000 and then I write my zeros. So 1,000, this is 1,100, 1,200, 1,300. Okay, so keep that in mind. It helps if you think comma for thousand. Okay, now the other day, Misael asked me, he said, I have hear sometimes people say funny numbers. So for this one, sometimes we say 1,100. This one we say 1,200. Now, why do we say 1,200? Well, because we have 12 and then the zeros make 1,200. We can say 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, right? Because really, when we think 100, we think 3 places of 0, and 1,000 is 4 places of 0, right? So this is the 100 part right here. So we can say this number, 100. Little confusing, but let's continue. We can say 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, This one, on the thousands, we cannot say 20, 100. On the thousands, when it's just round number, we have to say thousand. We can say 1,000. We can't say 10, 100. We can't say 20, 100. I don't know why. We can only do it after we get to 11, 12, 13. So again, 1,000, I'm going to erase for a second. Let me do some erasing. Okay. Erase, 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 goodbye. Whoosh. Okay, so I want you to remember 1,100 is the same as 1,100. 1,200, same as 1,200. 1,300, same as 1,300. Practice that. Practice listening, practice saying that, okay? Next page, I'm up to the 2000s. 2000. So here we would say what? 2,100, 2,200, 2,300, 2,400, 2,500. You say it this time. 2,600. 2,700. 2,800. 2,900. And what's this one? 3,000. And again, you can see over here, we could do the 100 thing. We could say 2,100, 2,200. And notice it starts at 1. We can't say 2,000. No, no. And like for 3,000, we can't say 3,000. No, we can only do it after the 100. So 2,300, 2,400, 2,500. Etc. So you should practice counting that. You can stop the video and practice if you want. So we're going to do some progressively bigger numbers. So for number one, we have 56, 156, 1,056, right? So just 56, 156, 1,056. Number two, 30, 230, 2,030, right? 30, 230, 2,030. Number three, you say, what do we have here? What do we have? This is 95. This one is 195. This is big one, 1,195, right? So we have 95, 195, 1,195. Number four, 10, 110, 1,100, or 1,100. Good. So that's 10, 110, 1,100, or 1,100. Number five. Number five is 74. Good. What's this one? 740, 740, or 7,400. Or we could say 7,400, which is a little bit easier, right? So 74, oops, wrong pen. 740, 7,400. Lots of practicing to do for numbers, you guys. Okay, so then I went on to the tens, right? So we have 10,000, 20,000, 30. Again, you can look at this, right? When you hear thousand, you can think comma. So this is 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. Whew, 200,000, 300,000. What's this one? 450,000. So many numbers to learn. It's just practice, practice, practice. You have to practice saying all of these numbers, okay? Find a way to practice. Write down numbers. Ask your children to write numbers and see if you can say them. Okay, it's actually fun practice. If you have small children who are learning, you guys can learn together. Okay, so that's it. That's my lesson on bigger numbers. You guys are doing great. I'm so proud of you. Way to go. And I talk to you later.